And I was 22 years old. I had began to get sick, very ill. It took about a year to finally be diagnosed with Sjogren's syndrome, vasculitis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Over the next 12 years, I had gone through many different doctors, many medications, treatments, infusions, and such. I had been under medical care, holistic doctors, naturopathic doctors, functional medicine, herbalist, up and down the board. I really was desperate to try anything that I could, just to help me feel better. It wasn't until about a little over a year ago, that a friend of mine came to me, and because she saw the condition that I was in and how my health was slowly declining, even more than it had usually been. And she had told me about her experience with Dr. Bartosh. So I gave him a call just a few days later. He took the time to really talk to me, to get to know me, asked tons of questions. We ended up doing a whole lot of blood work just to get the overall view of what was going on with my body. He looked at a lot of my history, medical records and everything, and even had been working together with my PCP just to make sure we had all the right information that he needed. After doing all of that, he had put together, it was like a 6-week little game plan. We did a lot of supplements, dietary changes, and so starting that, leading up to this, I was having a lot of flares pretty much every single day. The vasculitis would always flare on my legs. I had a lot of joint pain, a lot of confusion, a lot of brain fog. It was not a fun time, just exhausted all around, really. And so after starting the program that he had set up for me, it was probably about a week into it is whenever I started to notice a huge difference. And I was quickly surprised because it had only been a week. But with all of the changes that we made and all the supplements that he had me on, it made a world of difference. I'm talking night to day type of difference. The vasculitis it rarely acts up. If it does, I know it's because I'm under a whole lot of stress and there's just extra stuff going on, or if I'm just, getting over some kind of cold or something, that's whenever I noticed that I started to have some kind of symptoms. But other than that, the symptoms that I was having before do not have anymore. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my story, just to hopefully encourage someone that if you're not feeling well, if you have been looking for answers and trying to find someone to help you, and just haven't found that person or place just yet, I wouldn't to encourage you to keep going, to not give up. And especially reach out to Dr. Bartosh. If you know someone that is in the season of just unhealth, and just, not feeling well in general, I highly recommend that you have them reach out to Dr. Bartosh. He has been absolutely great. He has walked me through everything, taken the time to answer all of my questions, and just really helped me out, physically, mentally, and it's been a wonderful experience. So I want to say thank you, Dr. Bartosh, and also thank you to Sue, because she has also taken the time to help me with absolutely everything that I have needed, from their end. And so I just wanted to express my gratitude, share a little bit of my story. Hopefully this can encourage someone and give you a little bit of hope that there is a way to get through life a little bit healthier, and it is possible. And I hope that if you are watching this, that you are in good health, or you are on your way to good health, or you are on your way to make that call so that you can be in good health. Dr. Bartosh's favorite thing to tell me every single time we get off the phone is that we are fearfully and wonderfully made, and I fully agree with that. And truly, from watching my body go through the healing process, it has been amazing. And